Hello there. We're looking at the volume of the sphere, and there's one formula that you need to memorize. The formula is 4/3 pi r cube. That's the volume of the sphere. So 4/3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. Okay, let's look at a couple of examples. First one, find the volume of the sphere that has a radius of 5.2 centimeters. Correct to three significant figures. So volume is 4/3 pi r cube, r being 5.2, so 4/3 pi r. Let's replace that value with 5.2, 5.20 the whole cube, and the units will be in centimeter cube. Let's use a calculator. 4/3 pi r cube, and you will get 589 and some decimal places above 0.5. So your three significant figures is 589 centimeter cube in three significant figures. I think you're getting less than 0.5. Okay, let's look at the second one. The volume of the sphere has been given to you. The volume is given to you. Calculate the radius to the nearest centimeter. So volume is 1000 is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. We need to find the r. So let's rearrange. R cube is equal to 3 into 1000 divided by 4 pi. Okay, and the units will be, the volume is given in cubic meters. The units will be in meters, right? So you will get the answer for the radius in meters. Therefore, r is equal to, let's use a calculator for that. We're getting something like 6 point, should be about 620 something. Let's add cube root of 3000 divided by 4 pi, bracket close, that okay. My answer is 6.2035, and this unit is in centimeters. This unit is in meters, and I need to convert that to nearest centimeter. So my nearest centimeter would be that place, that decimal place, because when I multiply by 100, I'll get so many centimeters. So if I round up to the nearest centimeter, okay, if I convert this to centimeters, I'll get 620.35 and so on centimeters. So my nearest centimeter would be 6.20 centimeter nearest. Actually, this one is in meters, so I will write this as meters. If I want to write centimeters, I can write 620. Okay, let's look at the third one. Third one is, the earth is considered to be a sphere of radius 6378. R is 6378 kilometers, and they're saying find the volume to four significant figures. The volume is 4/3 pi 6378 cube. That I should get, my answer should be 4 into pi into 6378 to the power of 3, bracket, and then divided by 3. That gives me That gives me 1086781292542 and the decimal place 889. Now I need this thing to 4 significant figures. So if I consider the 4 significant figures, what do you reckon I should add to? Where should I round up? Of course, I'll be rounding up at this place here, correct? And what do I have after that? 7. So this will become 1087. In the rest of the decimal places, I don't need to consider because I'm rounding up to 4 significant figures. So I'm going to put this thing in a scientific notation: 1.087 times 10 to the power of, let's count the decimals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 10 to the power of 12. And this is in, volume is in kilometers cube. Okay, is that clear? Any questions, please post on Teams, and we will consider working a solution out for you. Okay, let's look at the second part, which is 8.08 practical applications. I'll do one example for you. Here we are talking about finding the volume of this shape, which has got 2 hemispheres, and if I put those 2 hemispheres together when I'm calculating volume, I get a sphere, correct? Then I have to add the volume of the cylinder. So the volume of this shape is 4/3 pi r cube plus, that's a sphere on the ends, that's a sphere, and that's a hemisphere. So I add these two, will become the complete sphere. And I need to add the cylinder, so that would be pi r square h. Okay, so let's substitute the values. 4/3 pi, what is the radius? This is the radius from the center here, so that is 1.1. so 1.1 cube plus, now I did not say half and half, so obviously I'm getting half and half as one sphere, and pi, what is my radius again? For radius for this one is again 1.1, that's a circle, so 1.1 square into h, what is my h? 2.4. This is my h for the cylinder. So that answer, if I plug it in the calculator, and they need 1 decimal place, so I'll quickly do that 1 decimal place. So the volume I'm getting to 1 decimal place is 14.7, and everything is in meters cube 1 dp. Okay, surface area I have the hemisphere, a complete sphere, the surface area is 4 pi r square, correct? 4 pi r square plus the area of the cylinder, the outside curved surface, it will be 2 pi r into h. So if I open this net for the cylinder, the rectangular face, which is going to be the curved surface, would be pi r square into h. So my h is 2.4, r is 1.1. So pi r square h, substituting the values 4 pi, what is my radius? 1.1 square plus pi 1.1 square into h is 2.4. Okay, so that is going to be 1 decimal place. I'll put in the calculator for you. 4 pi 1.1 square plus 2 pi r. Sorry, why did I say pi r square h? This is not correct. This is 2 pi r. This is incorrect. I'm so sorry. This is 2 pi r. The net will be 2 pi r into h. So this one is 2 pi r h. Let's fix this one. 2 pi r h and 2 pi 1.1. Okay, so once I plug this one, rounding up to 1 decimal place, I'm getting 31.8, and the unit is going to be surface area, and everything is in meters. I'll get meter square 1 dp. Okay, then you so much. If you have any questions, do post on the Teams and we will address them. And best of luck. Also, I believe the chapter test has been posted on for you. If you need the chapter test posted again with the solutions, let me know. And if you can't find them, let me know. I can post it again. And the best of luck for the exam. The chapter review and the diagnostic is for you to complete. Try and complete this thing over the weekend. And on Monday, we will have a revision session for the topic test that's on Tuesday. Thank you so much.